Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing it. In this video, I'll show you how to fix SIM card problem in Itel Power 80. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.